Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This week's topic will be covering reasoning models. So what is a reasoning model? A reasoning model is an AI system designed to think through problems step by step rather than just giving quick answers. It tries to understand, analyze, and solve tasks by simulating logical thinking similar to how humans reason. And a couple examples of the most popular reasoning models include chain of thought reasoning, which writes out steps like a math student solving a problem, tree of thoughts, which explores different options like a decision tree, and react, which stands for reasoning plus acting, and thinks and interacts with tools or environments. So I am using a reasoning model in this personal project I am making. I have already gone over this code in one of my previous videos, but I thought I could use it for this video as well, as it's a good way to explain reasoning models. So I'm gonna go over the code again. So we're simply making an AI agent that extracts artist information such as pre-sale codes, concert dates and times to help fans acquire tickets to their favorite artist. So first of all, we set up our open API key, and we are using large language model GPT 3.5 Turbo. We are also using the LangChain framework to structure our GPT logic. And first of all, we define the expected schema. We then build a Python function that takes inputs and structures a formatted prompt for GPT to understand. So here's the formatted prompt. We then take that formatted prompt and turn it into a tool. So here you can see we are defining a tool, and we are giving it that formatted prompt. We then wrap that function as a tool. Here you can see we are using that defined function we created over here, and we are wrapping it to this tool called tool. Afterwards, we define an agent that calls the tool, and this is where the reasoning model appears. So we give it the tool. Basically, we tell the agent what tools it can use. We also let it know what large language model to use, which is our OpenAI GPT 3.5. And we are using an agent, a built-in agent in LangChain, which is a reasoning model that's built around the React framework. And over here, this is the React framework, and it's able to reason and act and interact with tools or environments. So we are using a LangChain built-in agent that is basically built around the React framework. So this is our reasoning model, and we also log the steps. And here you can see the output of our reasoning trace for us to read. So here you can clearly see the reasoning model in action, and at the end it prints the results. But the important part of this video is that we use this reasoning model to think, choose a tool, and act for us. So that is the end of the video, and I hope it was simple and explanatory, and I'll see you guys in the next video.